going on, family? Back with another video. Today should be a good day, man. So if you guys haven't already, turn this air on. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Turn on the post notifications. And share the video if you can, man. Like I said, today should be a good day, man. I got the notification that the 2010 Town & Country van, the title is in today. So we're about to go to pick that up. Currently still have the G6, but don't have the title to it. I want to drop it off and get the freaking car checked out so I can get it to pass emissions, but I don't want to do it until I'm basically getting the title. I don't want to spend money on it until I get the title for it. So I don't want to go out and spending, $100, $200, even $50 on fixing a car that I currently don't have the title to. That's something I just don't want to do, and I'm not going to do it. So right now we're about to go grab the 2010 Town & Country van title. We're about to, on our way to what auction did I pick that up from? I'm in the van now. I picked this van up from the Dealer Only auction here in Arizona. That's the name of it. Actually, it's called Dealer. It's like Dealer Auto Auction or some shit of Southwest. That's the name of it. So I believe that's the name. It's like the name of it's like Dealer Auto Auction of Southwest or some shit like that. But we're on our way, about to jump on this expressway. About to jump on this expressway, boy. These people driving crazy down here in Arizona, man. So about to jump on this expressway, go grab that title, and figure out what we're gonna do with the G6, man. But today we're going to be talking about being a dealer, period. We're basically going to be talking about my experience as a dealer in Arizona versus Detroit or Michigan or whatever. I'm gonna start off with Michigan first. Basically, I like being a dealer in Michigan better because okay guys, like I was saying, turn this air back down one notch. Like I was saying, basically I like being a dealer in Michigan versus Arizona because it's a lot of competition in Michigan and it's a lot of competition in Arizona, but for sure Arizona got way too much competition, man. They got way too much, like too many people with the, they got way too many people with the auction access, man. It's just too much with it in Arizona, man. But you see, we pulling up to the only auction. About to run in here and grab this title to this 2010 Caravan, and then about to go in here and grab this title to this 2010 Caravan. I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys. Just got the title to the 2010 Town & Country. Want to talk to you guys before I go ahead and start back driving. But the reason why I like I was saying, the reason why I like Michigan better than Arizona, because in Arizona it's a lot of competition, man. So the prices are high here regardless. So like the cars I'm used to buying in Michigan for like, $1,000, $1,200, like a Taurus in Michigan, I had paid like $500, $600, $100 for a Taurus, and I was able to sell that Taurus for, like $1,400, somewhere around there with no problem. Here I had to pay $1,000 for a Taurus and gotta ask more for the car. So I don't like having to pay more money for the cars, because I gotta ask more money for them and they take longer to sell. I'm used to selling cars within a day or two, 36 hours tops, man. And it's just hard here trying to do that when you gotta spend more on the car, then you gotta ask more on the car. But then in Michigan as well, you know, I knew what my area liked. I knew what type of cars to buy. Here in Arizona, it's all type of different mixtures of cultures here. So you got the blacks, Latino, Caucasian, you know, the Africans, you know. So it's like you got to cater to so many different cultures, and you know, so you just can't stick to like one type of vehicle. Like in Michigan, I was buying majority GMs. I dib and dab in the Fords and dib and dab in the Chryslers, but majority people in Michigan, they love GM cars. But you know, you got a big group that like the Fords and the Chryslers as well, and then you got the few people that like the Nissans and stuff like that. But I didn't really have to buy the Nissans because I was making money buying the GMs and the Chryslers and the Fords. Here, you know, me buying a Chrysler van, it might not sell as fast versus a Toyota Corolla or a Toyota, you know, Camry. You know, this van might not sell as fast as that. So basically, I gotta buy what they like here. But also here, they spend more money. Like, okay, I gotta buy what they like here, but here it costs you more to buy that car though. It costs you more to buy that Toyota Corolla, or you know, that Camry. That stuff costs more here because it's a bigger market for it here. So if you're trying to buy stuff like that, you're going to spend more money and you're going to have to ask more money for it. So I don't like getting into that type of program. So I don't like sitting on cars. I be seeing dudes sitting on cars for weeks and weeks and weeks at a time trying to sell them, but they can't because the price is too high. I don't like doing that. I like to keep my prices $3,000 and under. Far as selling, I don't like to spend no more than, you know, probably 15 or 2 grand on a car for real, because I gotta ask more. So I like to keep my prices, me selling $3,000 and under, because they sell quick like that. But what else, you know? Then in Michigan, you know your area, you know, yeah, our lot was, you know, was in the rough part of Detroit, you know, but I grew up in that area, so I wasn't too concerned about that. You know, I'm not familiar with Arizona. Only I've been to Arizona off and on for 2 years, so you know, I'm not too familiar with areas down here in Arizona. So you know, it's just a whole type of different world down here. You know, I like to be comfortable. You know, a lot of these guys are comfortable doing it here, you know, how it's ran here, but I'm just not trying to get comfortable doing it here. Yeah, of course it's money to be made, but it's just, and you also work harder here, because you work harder here in Arizona for your money as well. Like in Michigan, I had to work hard. Of course, I was running for days at a time, hunting down parts and this and that, but I liked it. You know, I enjoyed doing that, so I wasn't too concerned about that. It's just here, it's hot as hell here, so it's harder for me to go to the pick apart and pull my parts because it's so hot here. So it's harder to work here for real because it's so damn hot here, man. But yeah, that's the reason why, you know, I would rather buy and sell in Michigan than versus here in Arizona, you know, just a little bit. But I write stuff down and get deeper into it. But since we got the title, we are about to go ahead and I'm not going to clean it up anymore. Like I said, we have been driving it for the last couple weeks, so I'm about to just go ahead and vacuum clean it out. I might throw some shine on it and then take my pictures and post it for sale. So that's about it, man. So I'll show you guys while I'm I'll probably take you guys along with me while I'm going to washing the vacuum cleaner out. But you guys already seen me do that once before, so I'm not going to make you guys do that again. But if you're here just watching the video, man, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you get the notifications every time I upload a video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and please, if you can, share these videos so we get out to more people. But probably gonna end this video right here, man. If I got something to show you guys, I'll come back, pick up the camera. But if not, I'm out. Peace. All right, guys, the G6 is sold. I mean, the Town and Country is sold, guys. Pull out so you guys can see it. They're pulling off in the Town and Country, guys. It is sold. Bye bye.